Hello and welcome to today's episode of Slime Rancher.
I'm Andrew.
And I'm Rachel.
And you have mail. You got mail. I mean, not mail. I meant trade. You got trade thing. I totally meant that King Fairy. I definitely did not mistake that offline thing for kill some chickens. But your cats are hungry.
Every single one.
Every single one of them. Just a lot of them. Go sell the parts.
Those are
Rock forts. Rock forts.
I'm so freaking dumb.
Correct.
Rude.
Really, I thought it was quite polite. They don't eat that. Look at them. Right there. Whoever eats the heartbeat.
These guys.
Oh, I still have heartbeats. You need more rock slimes. You have enough to tabby and phosphor though. You just need more rock.
Chickens, that's fine.
You probably have too many hens. That's probably enough. Yeah. I think it's like you can't have maybe 6 or 8 somewhere in there. It's definitely a 1-digit number. Go get some rocks.
Well, I'm looking for some hen hens.
That they don't. That was just at the start of the game.
Okay, what do I need? So I need
rock slimes. Also, wait, go to your silo. You need to pop those Gordos. Get 20 carrots. You're not using them. Yeah. No, stop. What have you done? Put the carrots back. Not all of them, but put the carrots back. Now back up the carrots. Perfect!
Well, being a perfect.
Don't eat that! Have you ever seen a cat eat a carrot, Rachel? Have you ever seen a little cat walk up, sell those plorts before you head out, and then
No, I haven't.
you might want to put those heartbeats in the silo, or not. It's your choice.
I thought this was a thing, and I was
Technically, it is. Swap to the right thing first. Yep, shoot the heartbeats in.
run along.
Full! There's so many carrots, you definitely need to feed 20 of them to the Gordo. Yeah, you can get Fogo food though.
There we go. Nice little.
If you want, you can put those in your coop so that you can let them grow up. Quick, get the rock slimes before they turn in, before they eat some Florence and the Gordos. Look, you missed one. You should probably kill some of the... Oh, get rock slime. You should probably kill some of the Gordos so that more of them can spawn. Launch the rock Gordos into the abyss.
There's something I need to check on. I think it's dead though.
Need rock slime. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it. No, pick it up. It eats chickens.
You better fall into that. Oh, Steve.
Go feed the Gordo. You can feed it him if you want. Oh, another one. Get it quick. Make sure you shoot it into the ocean, not onto a wall. So that'll bounce off. Just to get around rock slimes so that you can get non-Gordo rock slimes. That is a cat. The rocks. Oh, there's another one. Also, every time they eat a slime, they make another one of themselves, so don't let them do that. Traumatized for life. The rock slimes, Rachel. If you want, you can go to the next area. There might be more rock slimes there. Or you can just wander around sucking up chickens, I guess. That's a thing you could do.
Hey, back here. Okay, I'm gonna go deport these.
No, you need to get the rock slimes. The whole reason you came here was to get rock slimes. Go into the next area and find some rock slimes.
That was named for it. What?
It died.
That's nice. Hello, sir.
Quick, get the rock slimes. Those aren't rock slimes. Those are rock slimes. There are more rock slimes over there. No, stop. Quick, quick. You gotta get the rock slimes. Yes, get them.
Rock slime.
Alright, that might be enough. You have 9 rock slimes now. There was another one right back there. Of tar. You didn't deal with the tar, now there's so many of them. Alright. Now feed the Gordo. I guess you could feed that Gordo if you want, but you have to feed the chickens.
Is there one over here?
No. I don't know why I keep thinking it's over here. It's on the island, remember? I mean, there's one in that cave, but you don't have any fruit on you. You should be able to see him from that window there. Yeah, I think if you jump down, there might be... oh, if you jump down, there's a phosphor slime, but you have to go into the previous area. And then jump down that wall. And then there should... yeah, jump down there. Now walk along there. And you'll get there. Swimming slimes! Uh-oh. Okay then. That's no problem at all.
Hello?
Oh, that's it apparently. Look at that! You got a slime key! Now, the question is, forest or caves and stuff? Remember those two doors that we saw before? That thing unlocks it.
I'm traumatized.
Really? More traumatized than a slime? Seeing a creature that eats other slimes to turn it into more creatures that eat other slimes? You can pick up some pogo fruit and feed it to that phosphor largo.
We can't.
Yeah, you
What
can.
should I dump?
You have a bunch of carrots, a bunch of hens, a bunch of chickadoos.
What should I dump?
I don't know. Chickadoos.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go...
If you go in that cave, you can kill that thing. He's not doing anything, he's just sitting there. Yeah, he bites you.
Fight. Chicken!
So you can either go into that cave or go across that island chain. Remember those two locations? So there's the gate in that cave that you just passed, and there's that gate that's at the very end of the moss blanket. I mean the dry reef. You like your carrots, don't you?
Come on.
So many carrots. What?
Well, I heard it pop out of the little thing, and I was like, hello. I was like, what was that? Oh, hello, sir.
Feed them the chickens. Now just like throw the chickens out in the yard, since you don't have any room in your so just like shoot the chickens in the floor. Don't pick them up. Actually, if you want, you can just put the chickadoos in the yeah, just put the chickadoos in the. Oh no! They escaped. They ate everything. This is why you feed your slimes. If you don't, then they escape and then they feed themselves. Feed them the carrots. So put the chickadoos in the cat place. Put the chickadoos in the cat place so you can pick up more stuff. Now you don't have. Okay, well now you don't have any rock dudes. Oh, you have that one rock chicken. I mean chick. So yeah, you're kind of fine. But the no, stop.
What?
Put the chickadoos in the tabby corral.
Why?
So that they can grow up and the chickens can eat them.
The chickens can eat them.
I mean.
Right.
I mean the cats.
Right.
So that the cats can eat the chickens when they grow up. Now put the rock slimes and the. It's restrictable. Rock slimes go in there. Now you have. Yeah. Now you have a lot of different types of slime. They have access to right now. Did it go into the next thing? It did! So now your pink slimes don't need it. You are full! You have a single carrot! Shoot the carrot out! Get everything. No, put the carrot in the rock thing. Oh my goodness! What?
Oh, there's so many.
So pick them up. Pick them up. Now go pick up. Oh, you can pick up those. Beat those slimes. Yeah, just toss them all in there. Collate them when they get hungry. And there's so many that you don't have to worry about them not getting hungry.
Okay. 24. Oh, they're hungry.
Pick up those ones. From your pink slime invasion. And you put the cube berries with the phosphor slimes. Boy, you lost all those quartz. Well, that's all, folks. Stop! That's it.
Well,
We're at the end on that grim note of Rachel dying because she swam around with a bunch of sharp stone slimes. Well, see you next time.
Stupid. Okay, bye.
No trade this time.
What?
Look, now you actually have trade. Okay, bye.